partnership, and I say it with every partnership we have, is a game changer.
NAPA is headquartered right here in Atlanta, and so what better school to do it than CITA?
For me, the extra support is always really valuable because even if it's not just for me, even the students that are going to come after me, it's more supplies for them, it's better tools, things to help them grow as well.
It'll continue to support hands-on learning, scholarships, the curriculum. Also will help support the educators and their continued learning.
The future is bright. When everybody tells me there's a workforce shortage, we have a solution for that, and it's the students that are here at the Cobb Innovation Technology Academy. Now at Osborne, and then in the future at Osborne and Alatoona.